Yeah? Are you gonna eat your foot? Yep, there it goes. Right in the mouth. You're so weird. There's no food in that. Crazy guy. You have boogers. Are you sick? Yeah. Got a little cold. I see you. I see you.
I think he gave it to me because
I'm
I
gonna
didn't
get
have
you.
it before he got it.
I'm gonna get your booty. Get your booty.
So I think he gave it to me.
Probably. Yeah? Oh, you're gonna get Daddy's foot? Don't let him stick your toe in his mouth. That one was huge, huh? Yeah? Mmm, toes.